If you're in your 70s or 80s and can still do the following 9 things, you are truly exceptional. They say age is a matter of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. We all hope to live longer and healthier lives, but as we age, maintaining our independence and vitality becomes more challenging. Many people never reach the age of 70, and those who do often face significant physical limitations, depending heavily on others for even the most basic tasks. Yet some individuals defy the odds. These are the ones who, despite their years, continue to live with remarkable energy, vitality, and self-reliance. Let's explore what makes these individuals so special and, more importantly, how you can become one of them. Your mind remains sharp. If you are between 70 and 80 years old and can still maintain a sharp mind that sees through people's tricks, you are indeed a rare gem in today's world. Many older adults fall victim to various scams, resulting in significant financial losses and emotional distress. They may be tricked into purchasing unnecessary financial products or health supplements, which can quickly drain their savings. The worst part is that many don't even realize they've been scammed, often making decisions that could negatively impact their families. Staying alert and aware of your surroundings is essential, even if you sometimes feel confused. A sharp mind can easily differentiate between genuine offers and deceptive schemes. Scammers often use free gifts as bait, offering emotional care, regular meetings, or gratitude events to gather information about your health, income, and trust. Eventually, they pressure you into buying various health products. To avoid these traps, it's wise to stay away from so-called expert consultations, free health checkups, conferences, organized visits, and marketing events held outside of official business venues. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Rejecting deception also means rejecting superstitions. As the famous Buddhist proverb says, "Do not dwell on the past, do not dream of the future, concentrate the mind on the present moment." This wisdom reminds us to remain present and aware, especially when dealing with the complexities of modern life. By staying vigilant and informed, you can protect yourself and your loved ones from harm. Seek reliable information from trusted family members or reputable organizations instead of relying on strangers with hidden agendas. By doing so, you can enjoy your golden years with peace of mind and financial security. In a fast-paced world full of new scams, your ability to see through deception and remain vigilant is more valuable than ever. This not only safeguards your well-being, but also sets a powerful example for younger generations, teaching them the importance of wisdom and mindfulness in everyday life. Remember, as the Buddha said, "The mind is everything. What you think, you become." Keeping your mind sharp and alert allows you to live a fulfilling life, free from the anxieties caused by deceit and trickery. Nurture your mental faculties by engaging in activities that stimulate your intellect. Surround yourself with honest, supportive people who have your best interests at heart. By doing so, you protect not only yourself, but also contribute to a more honest and caring society, where the elderly are respected for their wisdom and experience. Lifelong learning. Particularly as we age, the importance of lifelong learning cannot be overstated. If you are 70 or 80 years old and still actively engaging in learning and navigating the world with ease, you are truly a rarity. It's a universal truth that reading and continuous learning drive personal growth and progress. Many older adults feel overwhelmed by today's fast-paced world, unable to interpret signs, handle digital devices, or complete basic tasks like checking information or making payments. These challenges emphasize the importance of maintaining a lifelong habit of learning. Older adults don't need to delve into complex subjects like astronomy or geography, but learning practical skills, such as navigating social situations or mastering travel tips, can greatly enhance their quality of life. Instead of using phones solely for idle chatter, they could explore trustworthy websites and learn skills such as paying bills online. Not only does this make life easier, but it also fosters a sense of independence and confidence. As the Buddha wisely said, "An investment in knowledge pays." Marcus Aurelius once said, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." By embracing lifelong learning, older adults can transform potential obstacles into paths for growth and empowerment. This approach not only enriches their own lives, but also sets a valuable example for younger generations. So, make learning a daily habit, whether it's mastering a small technological skill, picking up a new travel tip, or even learning a fresh recipe. By doing so, you contribute to a fuller, more independent life. Lifelong learning is not just confined to youth. It's a continuous journey that offers endless opportunities for enrichment and enjoyment. Staying curious and open to new experiences enables older adults to maintain their relevance and vitality in a constantly changing world. As Confucius once said, "You cannot open a book without learning something." Each bit of knowledge you acquire is a step toward greater wisdom and self-sufficiency. Encourage yourself to explore, question, and understand the world around you. This mindset not only keeps you mentally agile, but also provides practical benefits that make everyday tasks more manageable. Moreover, lifelong learning fosters resilience, an invaluable quality at any age. In a world where technology and society are constantly evolving, those who adapt will continue to thrive. Adaptability is the hallmark of a full and dynamic life, regardless of age. Whether you are learning to use a new app, understanding how to navigate public transportation, or simply staying informed about current events, every small effort contributes to a greater sense of capability and accomplishment. Never underestimate the power of lifelong learning. It's the key not only to surviving, but to thriving in your later years. By embracing learning, you will discover that age is not a barrier, but rather a testament to your enduring spirit and wisdom. Open-mindedness. Reaching the age of 70 or 80 with an open mind and heart is a rare and valuable gift. Many older individuals often become set in their ways, rigid in their beliefs, and reluctant to embrace new ideas or change. However, if you can maintain an open mind as you age, you are indeed exceptional. An open-minded older person doesn't compare themselves to others or measure their worth by the successes of others. Instead, they embrace others' imperfections with understanding, free from envy or resentment. A person with an open mind doesn't look down on their children or worry excessively about the future. Instead, they greet each day with calm acceptance, viewing the present as the best time of their life. As Buddha wisely said, "Do not dwell on the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present." This mindfulness, being fully present in the moment, is a powerful tool for cultivating happiness and peace in older age. In today's world, being in your 70s or 80s is no longer considered very old, but that doesn't mean life should be lived carelessly. It's essential to manage the rest of your life wisely, continuing to spread positivity to your family and showing kindness to others. In doing so, your sense of happiness will only grow. Old age does not signify the end of personal growth or happiness. It can be a time of expansion and inner peace. One hallmark of open-mindedness is the ability to see the bigger picture. Open-minded individuals understand that life is full of ups and downs, and every challenge presents an opportunity for growth. They are not easily swayed by the opinions of others and remain true to their values. As the Dalai Lama once said, Open your arms to change, but don't let go of your values. Living with an open mind also means fostering empathy and compassion. It involves recognizing that everyone has their own struggles and that small acts of kindness can have a profound impact. How often do we pause to truly listen to others or offer a helping hand? In Buddhism, the concept of metta, or loving kindness, is central. It teaches us to develop unconditional love and compassion for all beings. For those in their 70s or 80s, keeping an open mind means staying curious and receptive to new experiences. It's about embracing change and finding joy in simple pleasures. Have you ever noticed how a small act of kindness can brighten someone's day, or how learning something new? Think about someone you might need to forgive. How could letting go of that grudge transform your life? An open mind is also a peaceful mind. It's about finding contentment in what you have and not constantly seeking more. It's about appreciating the small things in life and finding joy in everyday moments. As Buddha said, "Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without." Finally, maintaining an open mind in your later years sets an example for the younger generation. It shows that life doesn't stop at a certain age, and wisdom and happiness can continue to grow. How do you want to be remembered by your children and grandchildren? What legacy of values and attitudes will you leave behind? In conclusion, open-mindedness in your 70s or 80s is a testament to your resilience, wisdom, and inner strength. By living each day with an open heart, embracing change, and spreading kindness, you not only enrich your own life, but also inspire those around you. What steps can you take today to cultivate a more open and compassionate heart? What small action can you take to foster greater openness in your life? Peaceful communication with your children. Maintaining harmonious relationships with your children as you age is a remarkable achievement. If at 70 or 80 years old you can still communicate without major conflicts with your children, you are indeed a rare gem. This ability reflects a life well lived, rich in wisdom, patience and understanding accumulated over the years. Buddha once said, "Peace comes from within, do not seek it without." Your ability to foster peaceful interactions is a testament to your inner peace and strength. In today's world, marked by generational differences and rapid societal change, misunderstandings between parents and children are common. Yet your ability to bridge these gaps demonstrates extraordinary skill. Maintaining peace in your relationships with your children involves active listening, showing empathy, and sometimes stepping back to allow the younger generation to learn from their own experiences. A fitting story is that of a wise elder who always chose his words carefully to avoid unnecessary disputes. He lived by the principle that words have the power to build bridges or to burn them. Your life experiences have made you a beacon of calm and reason for your family, and your ability to handle conversations with grace and composure is invaluable. In modern life, with its rapid changes in technology and social norms, this can be particularly challenging. However, your steady presence offers a sense of continuity and stability for your children, like an oak tree standing firm in the ground, offering shelter and strength to those around it during life's storms. As you move forward, continue embracing this peaceful approach, for it not only enriches your life, but also sets a profound example for future generations, teaching them the invaluable value of harmony and understanding in family bonds. In a world that often seems to move too fast, your ability to maintain relationships through open-mindedness and adaptability is more critical than ever. You are like a lighthouse, guiding your family safely to shore amidst the turbulent seas of life. Your peaceful communication is a form of service to your family, ensuring that the bond remains strong and cohesive. As Mahatma Gandhi once said, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. In this case, your service is the loving and patient communication you maintain with your children, fostering a peaceful and united family unit. This cohesive family unit becomes a small representation of a peaceful society, teaching the younger generation the importance of empathy, peace, and mutual respect. Let your interactions continue to be filled with kindness and understanding, serving as a living testament to the power of inner peace and the importance of harmonious family relationships. Living with purpose. Living with purpose is one of the most fulfilling ways to approach life, especially in your 70s and 80s. If you wake up each day with a sense of direction and a reason to get out of bed, you are truly a rare gem. Having a purpose gives meaning to your life and keeps you engaged with the world around you. Purpose can come from anything that brings you joy and satisfaction, whether it's volunteering, mentoring, pursuing hobbies, or spending time with loved ones. For many, purpose gives them renewed vitality, making life worth living and adding an extra layer of happiness to each day. Some find their purpose in helping others, whether through community service, supporting a cause, or she found immense satisfaction in helping adults learn to read and write, seeing firsthand the impact she could have on their lives. Her purpose gave structure and meaning to her days, and she formed new friendships along the way. This story reminds us that it's never too late to find and follow your purpose. Living with purpose also aligns with Buddhist teachings. Buddha emphasized the importance of right intention and right action as part of the Noble Eightfold Path. Living ethically, compassionately, and mindfully brings a sense of purpose. As Buddha said, your work is to discover your world, and then with all your heart, give yourself to it. Reflecting on your life, ask yourself, what brings you a deep sense of satisfaction? What activities make you lose track of time and feel truly alive? Maybe it's creating art, gardening, writing, or mentoring the younger generation. Finding your purpose may require some exploration and experimentation, but the journey itself can be incredibly rewarding. Purpose doesn't have to be grand or world-changing. It just needs to be meaningful to you. It could be as simple as tending to a garden, which not only provides physical activity, but also a connection to nature. Or it could be more social, like starting a book club or organizing community events. Whatever it is, let it be something that excites and motivates you. Living with purpose also helps combat feelings of loneliness and isolation. It connects you with others who share your interests and values, fostering a sense of community and belonging. This connection is vital for emotional well-being and can lead to new friendships and opportunities for collaboration. In conclusion, living with purpose in your 70s and 80s is a powerful way to enrich your life. It brings meaning, joy, and motivation, helping you stay engaged and fulfilled. Reflect on what gives your life meaning and pursue it with enthusiasm and dedication. How can you discover or deepen your sense of purpose today? What steps can you take to ensure that each day is filled with intention and joy? By embracing your purpose, you not only enrich your own life, but also contribute positively to the lives of others, creating a ripple effect of happiness and fulfillment.